Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're trying blonde brows today with the vampy eye. Let's go. Starting off with the Onme water activated eyeliner, I'm just going to take the white one and put it all over my brows, just like you're filling it in regularly. Just take your time with this, and once it's filled in to perfection, grab a tan eyeshadow and pat that on top. And then fill in those brows again. Now that everything is so bright, grab a warm brown eyeshadow and start carving out the shape of your eye. Once your brown eyeshadow looks like this, grab a black eyeliner of any kind and put it all over your lid like this. Now, although you want your wing to be nice and neat, the rest of the black eyeliner can be however, because we're going to put this dark blue eyeshadow and blend out the eyeliner into the brown eyeshadow with this blue. And now we're going to take some black eyeliner and put it in the inner corners and on the lower lash line of our eye. And lastly, grab a steel blue shimmer color and put that on top of your eyeshadow. Using your finger, in my opinion, is best because it really packs it on. Then just clean up any fallout that you may have had from the eyeshadow and add your lashes, and you got a done look. Thank you guys so much for watching the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials in the future, and take care.